it is that time of year again, time to tech the halls. You know, 'tis the season for new smartphones, including these latest from Samsung. Here are the newest Galaxy Note9, S9, and S9 Plus. These are the flagship phones that really do it all with those beautiful next-gen infinity displays, amazing cameras, as well as the power and performance to keep up with your crazy busy life, whether it's for work or play. Plus, they let you capture stunning family photos, much better selfies, and connect with all your loved ones, making it easier than ever to be together this season, no matter where you are in the world. Also, no matter where you are in the world, the Logitech Circle 2 is a weatherproof indoor-outdoor home security camera for keeping better eyes on your home and everyone in it. You can connect it with an app on your mobile device to check in on your house anytime from anywhere. It even sends you alerts and notifications and works with several different mounts and accessories to blend right in with your home decor seamlessly around your house. It also works with all kinds of smart gadgets like Apple's HomeKit, Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant. And you can get great Black Friday and Cyber Monday deals on all of it. For the kids, ideal for aspiring engineers or just anyone who loves to build, create, and play, Scribe's new drone builder kit lets kids make an app-controlled aircraft by drawing circuits with conductive silver ink. It is so cool. It only takes about 10 minutes to build, and then once they've built it, kids can soar the drone high above for a bird's eye view with a 480p camera on board. And this is my favorite part. If they crash it, which, I mean, if they let me fly it around, they will, well, they can just rebuild it. I'll even help too. Okay, the holidays are not just a time to get gifts, but also a chance to give back. A great way to do that is through GoFundMe.com. It is the go-to for helping others and makes it really easy to donate for those in need, whether they're in your own community or halfway around the globe. They even created a special holiday page to find causes, read personal stories, and donate at GoFundMe.com/holiday. And then beyond donating, the site also has great tips for those interested in starting a fundraiser for someone else in need this holiday season. What about the gamers? We haven't forgotten about you. GameStop is my go-to for all kinds of exclusives, like these PowerA GameCube style wireless controllers in gold or silver for less than $50. Launching Black Friday, these controllers for the Nintendo Switch are the best way to play the new game Super Smash Bros. Ultimate, which just happens to be coming out December 7th. And if you're not quite sure about the perfect gift for a gamer, GameStop gift cards work great too. For more information on everything I spoke about here, go to thunknews.com/tech.